This video I'm gonna be installing this Alpine stereo. This is the model. I took it off the package already. So it's just the stereo, and it comes with a microphone, and also just the harness. I'm gonna be installing it in the freightliner Cascadia. I'm gonna be removing this one. This is the previous model I had. The reason I'm gonna remove it is it's a little old. This is a better quality than the new one, but they don't sell them brand new anymore. So I'm gonna be removing this Torx right here. This 4 Torx screws. This T25. I'm gonna remove the parking brakes buttons. Just gonna pull it out. Just gonna disconnect everything. So the RCA is for my amp. And just the antenna. So since I had a Alpine already, and I'm just gonna be installing the same brand, same Alpine. It's gonna take the same plug. If you still have the original plug from the freightliner, I'm gonna be linking I'll link the harness they sell. It's just a harness where you take out the original plug, the original stereo, and it's like an adapter so that you can get the same cables by color, and it'll give you like the positive and negatives and which wires are for speakers. So it's gonna make it easier instead of cutting all the how I did. I cut off the original plug, the harness, and I just plugged it straight to this harness from the Alpine stereo. But they sell this little, I'm gonna be linking in the description so you can see it. If you don't wanna do all this, you can just buy that plug and it'll make it easier. So once you have the your harness for your stereo plugged in, it'll make it easier. So this is the back on this model. So since I do have an amp for the subwoofer, I'm gonna be using the bottom two, this two right here, and that is gonna be this button right here. It'll be the volume, so you can put the volume on just the sub. I'll show you right now when it's on. So I'm just gonna go ahead and plug it in. Just the harness, the antenna, and the RCAs for the sub. I'm gonna be using the two on the bottom. And just put everything inside. There it goes. It's on already. Put the volume down.
moving a
So I'm gonna plug in the USB so I can show you how it works.
Find a house and scope it out. Find a Chinese first. You find a house and scope it out. Find a Chinese neighborhood. Pull up at the spot.
So this is the base. I'm talking about putting on right now. Glocks in my mind's house, front you with that work out in front of niggas. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching.